Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free pancake. Here I have coconut flour, oat flour, sugar and salt. To that I added 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, milk and olive oil. I'm going to combine everything, then cover it and leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Now after you take it out from the fridge, add baking powder. You don't add baking powder at the beginning because it will get activated and you will lose it. Now heat the pan and then brush it with oil. I'm using this is about 1/3 cup. And don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write a comment and hit the notification bell. It will help my channel. And thank you for watching.